So far, sir, the guys are on their way to the spot.
Okay, so that's their instruction.
Yes, sir.
Alright, now let me just make some things clear. The Kentucky robbery at the bottom of King Street seems to be the potential of the start of a big up there.
Okay.
So we're trying to take them out as best as we can. Now,
Okay.
this is on standby for response. Lincolnian and witness, extra response. Understand? They are to observe and report. They are not to engage.
Okay.
I repeat, they are not to engage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anything that you want to be clear on?
Um, no, sir, you're clear on everything else. I am heading to the shop to cover for Tonya.
Is there a shopkeeper number?
Sir, we have to cover all areas, right? And we can't make anything look suspicious, right?
Yes, okay.
Okay, sir. So, I will call you if there's anything. I will just further inform Tony and Whisper that they are to observe, and if anything goes, they should call. They should just jump on speed dial and get to you or me. Okay, sir. I will keep you posted.
Enjoy the evening. I will be back plenty soon.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's on speaker.
Five bills give any one of them. Five bills give any one of them. Anyone. Hey mom. A five bills and three bills, yeah? Can't go wrong. Alright. Where you pass back?
Hello?
I am
Hi, Angie. Anyway, you okay?
yeah, I'm alright. You?
I'm fine. Just missing you.
As expected.
You miss me?
Always.
Mm-hmm. The always gonna sound convincing.
No, man, just take it as I tell you, man. Why you always so doubtful?
I hear you. You eat from morning?
Had breakfast. Going to try and have late lunch.
Okay. Alright, well, keep me posted on whatever is going on.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'm making some progress and all of that, but I prefer to wait until I return to update you, ma'am.
You're gone back with the man. Come in, come in.
Hold on. Wait there. What's happening?
No, I'm there on at the shop. I hold down the shop for Tony and cause them they on assignment.
I don't understand this. Anyway, I'm sure you manage that. But when I manage everything else.
Yes, Sir Savage, you know how I do my thing.
If anybody knows, I know.
You should know. Later, make a several people then.
I'm sure. But yeah, you go serve what you need to serve, and I will go take care of what I need to take care of with all you know.
Okay, baby.
Bye, honey.
Bye, sweetie.